Our fascination with material possessions can stem from a desire for fulfillment, social status, or a sense of belonging. People who are materialistic often equate their possessions with self worth and may experience feelings of emptiness or inadequacy without the latest gadgets or trends. However, research shows that true happiness comes from experiences, relationships, and personal growth rather than material things. In this presentation, we explore the Catholic perspective on materialism, questioning whether the pursuit of wealth and possessions can ever be virtues. Through insights from Catholic teachings, we examine the dangers of materialism, its impact on our spiritual well-being, and the potential for using material possessions for good. Ultimately, we challenge viewers to reconsider their priorities and find a balance between material wealth and spiritual fulfillment.
Okay, gotta go. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, girls. Call you later. What day is it na ba? Ay, parating na yung order ko.
Mom, will you buy me this dress? I've been eyeing this one. Gusto kasi sa school namin. One of my classmates had it, but the bag is kanya. I can pull it off better. Sige na. Please, please.
Dress? Yan naman? Hindi mo ba nakikita naghihirap na tayo? Tigil-tigilan mo na yung English mo?
Tama na mga anak. Ann, hayaan mo na akong kumausap. Yusel, wala na tayong pera. Baon na tayo sa utang. Hindi mo ba nakikita na ang dami ng gamit na binibili mo? Halos lahat hindi mo pa nasuot. Wala na nga tayong makain.
Why do I care? Ano na lang ang sasabihin ng friends ko? Nabaduy ako? No! And I have so many followers in social media. Wala na akong ma-post. If you can find me that one, hindi ako kakain.
Anak, Yusel, kumain ka na. Nais kong sabihin sa'yo na hindi lahat ng bagay ay makukuha mo na kagad. Marami pang mas importante diyan, katulad ng pagkain, makakatulong sa resistensya mo, at sa kalusugan.
Hayaan mo na ang ibang tao. Hindi sila ang magdedesisyon sa buhay mo.
You're right, Ma. I'm sorry. Ate, I'm sorry. I won't do it again now. I promise.
It's okay.
In a world driven by materialistic desires, it is easy to get caught up in the pursuit of anything and wealth. We are constantly disturbed by the societal pressures that tell us that having more is the key to happiness and success. But amidst this, it is important to take a step back and reflect on the things that we cannot always have. We can often overlook the beauty of simplicity. We cannot always have the luxury of a clutter-free mind, free from worries and anxieties. But when we do experience moments of peace, it is a reminder of the importance of finding contentment in the present moment, rather than constantly striving for more. And we cannot always have the approval and validation of others. Seeking validation from other people can be a never-ending cycle of disappointment and dissatisfaction. Instead, we should focus on cultivating self-acceptance and self-worth, recognizing that our value does not depend on the opinions of others.
Whenever you come, everywhere I'm looking at, I can only see you. And
You're late. Kanina pa ako naghihintay dito. Ang init.
Sorry. Wait, I got a surprise for you.
Really? Ano yun?
Pikit ka muna. Wait. Tada!
Oh my gosh! Thanks, love!
which I'm never seen. And the morning
Tara, kain tayo. Ano ba masarap?
how lucky I am. Tell me it's not a dream. You're the light to my darkness. I just realized it. Your hand just feels on mine, so hold it to the world.
Talaga? Nagkita kayo ngayon? Wait, Bes. Parang nakita ko na yan. Di ba duplicate lang yan? Fake. Hindi talaga galing sa original brand. Huh? What do you mean? How could Eman bought fake things for me? Nang anniversary namin, he bought gifts for me. May chocolates, may flowers, may makeups, at ito. Yung material, it's not original talaga. To be best, no, na lang.
Love! Love, kausapin mo naman ako. Kausapin mo naman ako. Huwag tayo mag-break dahil lang dito. Let me explain, okay?
Then go explain! You know that I love this thing so much. Especially na binigay mo pa. And then, bibigyan mo ako ng cheap at fake? The nerves!
Love, wala akong alam na duplicate to. At please, tigilan mo na yung pagiging materialistic mo. Break na tayo dahil lang dito. Mahal mo ba talaga ako? Mahal mo lang ako dahil sa mga bagay na binibigay ko. Mura, kung mag-aarang man mga bagay, kung mahal mo ako, hindi ba tatanggap mo ito? Hindi na ba tayo mag-uusap dahil lang sa gamit?
Yes, I'm breaking up with you. And you know what? Sa'yo na yung mga cheap mong gamit. Humanap ka na lang ng ibang babae na ma-appreciate yan.
Our love in things do not lead us to right results. Choosing love over material proprietorship cannot outgrow our well-being as humans in this cruel world. Nothing is more important than your loved ones that truly treasure you more than other things despite the odds. Love the person, not the objects or gifts that it gives.